Hey there. In a world where we're all trying to be the best version of ourselves, forming good habits is essential. But let's be real, it's not always easy. That's where AI comes in. There are tons of tools out there that use the power of artificial intelligence to help us get into good habits and stick to them. From fitness to mindfulness, sleep to productivity, these tools make it easier than ever to live your best life. So, let's dive in and check out some awesome AI tools to help you form those healthy habits. First up, we have Fabulous. This app is like having a personal coach in your pocket. Fabulous helps you establish and maintain healthy habits by providing you with personalized coaching and daily challenges. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, exercise more, or reduce stress, Fabulous has got you covered. The app starts by asking a few questions about your goals and lifestyle, then creates a customized plan just for you. Each day, you'll receive a new challenge that's designed to help you build positive habits and break bad ones. What's cool about Fabulous is that it uses behavioral science to help you make lasting changes. For example, it might encourage you to start small by drinking a glass of water every morning, and then gradually build up to more significant habits like running a mile or meditating for 10 minutes a day. Fabulous also offers a range of features like habit tracking, motivational quotes, and community support to keep you motivated and accountable. All in all, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to establish healthy habits, Fabulous is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's talk about Habitica. This app is a game changer, literally. Habitica turns habit formation into a game, where you can earn rewards and level up by completing tasks and developing healthy habits. When you sign up for Habitica, you create a custom avatar that represents you in the game. You then add the habits, tasks, and goals you want to work on to your to-do list. As you complete each task or develop a habit, you earn points that can be used to level up your avatar or purchase rewards. What's great about Habitica is that it makes habit formation fun and engaging. You can join guilds and teams to connect with other users who have similar goals, and even compete with them to see who can complete tasks and develop habits the fastest. The app also provides reminders and notifications to keep you on track, and offers a variety of features like streak tracking, analytics, and custom challenges to keep you engaged and motivated. Overall, if you're someone who loves gaming and wants to turn habit formation into a fun and rewarding experience, Habitica is definitely worth trying out. Up next, we have Forest, an app that helps you stay focused and productive by growing virtual trees. Sounds interesting, right? Here's how it works. When you open the Forest app, you select a timer for how long you want to work without interruption. Then, a virtual tree starts growing on your screen. As you work, the tree continues to grow and flourish. But, here's the catch: if you leave the app before your time is up, your tree dies. The idea behind Forest is that it helps you stay focused and avoid distractions by visualizing your progress and motivating you to stay on track. The app also lets you earn rewards for staying focused, which can be used to plant real trees around the world. What's great about Forest is that it's simple yet effective. The app's minimalist design and calming background sounds make it easy to stay focused and avoid distractions. It's a great tool for anyone who struggles with procrastination or finds it hard to stay focused while working or studying. Overall, if you want to boost your productivity and develop better work habits, give Forest a try. Then we have MyFitnessPal, an app that's all about helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. MyFitnessPal is a popular tool for tracking your food and exercise habits, providing insights into your calorie intake, nutrient balance, and progress toward your goals. The app works by allowing you to log the food you eat and the exercise you do each day. You can set goals for things like calorie intake, macronutrient balance, or weight loss, and MyFitnessPal will give you feedback on how you're doing. What's great about MyFitnessPal is that it has a huge database of foods and exercises, so it's easy to find what you're looking for and get accurate information about your intake and output. The app also lets you connect with friends or join groups to stay motivated and get support. MyFitnessPal offers a variety of features like barcode scanning, recipe analysis, and progress tracking to help you stay on track and reach your goals. Whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just live a healthier lifestyle, MyFitnessPal can help you get there. In conclusion, if you're serious about your health and fitness, MyFitnessPal is definitely worth checking out. It's a powerful tool that can help you make better choices, track your progress, and achieve your goals. Let's talk about Headspace, an app that's all about helping you find your inner calm and cultivate healthy habits. Headspace offers guided meditation and mindfulness exercises to help you manage stress, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being. The app has a variety of meditation courses that are designed to help you with different aspects of your life, like sleep, stress, anxiety, and focus. Each course has a series of guided meditations that you can do at your own pace, and the app tracks your progress along the way. What's great about Headspace is that it's user-friendly and accessible for beginners. The app's guided meditations are easy to follow, and the interface is simple and intuitive. It also has a range of features like progress tracking, reminders, and daily meditations to help you build a regular meditation practice. Headspace is a great tool for anyone who wants to develop healthy habits, manage stress, or improve their mental health. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned pro, Headspace has something to offer. In conclusion, if you want to take a step towards a healthier and more balanced life, give Headspace a try. It's an easy and effective way to introduce mindfulness into your daily routine and cultivate healthy habits for a better you. Next on our list is Sleep Cycle, an app that's all about improving your sleep quality and helping you wake up feeling refreshed. Sleep Cycle tracks your sleep patterns and wakes you up during your lightest sleep phase, which can help you feel more energized and alert throughout the day. The app works by using your phone's microphone or accelerometer to detect your movements during the night. Based on these movements, Sleep Cycle can determine which stage of sleep you're in and wake you up at the optimal time during your lightest sleep phase. What's great about Sleep Cycle is that it also provides you with insights and data about your sleep patterns, including information about how long you slept, how many times you woke up, and how restful your sleep was. This information can help you identify patterns and make changes to your sleep habits to improve your overall sleep quality. Sleep Cycle also offers a variety of features like sleep notes, snore detection, and sleep aids to help you get the most out of your sleep. Whether you're struggling with insomnia or just want to improve the quality of your sleep, Sleep Cycle can help. It's a simple and effective tool that can help you identify patterns in your sleep and make changes to your habits to promote better sleep. Let's talk about Waterminder, an app that's all about helping you stay hydrated and track your water intake throughout the day. Waterminder is a simple and user-friendly app that reminds you to drink more water at regular intervals throughout the day. The app works by allowing you to set a daily water intake goal and then track your water consumption throughout the day. You can enter your water intake manually, or use the app's integration with health tracking devices like Fitbit or Apple Watch to automatically track your water intake. Waterminder also offers a variety of features like customizable reminders, drink logs, and hydration tracking to help you get the most out of your water intake. So if you're looking for a way to stay hydrated and track your water intake throughout the day, Waterminder is definitely worth trying. It's a simple and effective tool that can help you stay accountable and motivated to drink more water, leading to improved overall health and well-being. AI tools can be incredibly helpful in establishing and maintaining healthy habits. Whether you're looking for personalized coaching, gamified habit tracking, or mindfulness exercises, there's an app out there for you. By incorporating these tools into your daily routine and sticking with them, you can make positive changes to your habits and overall well-being. With the right support and guidance, you can improve your physical and mental health, boost productivity, and enhance your quality of life. So why not try one of these AI tools and see how it can help you achieve your goals? If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.